guys. Andito na kami sa Kilkiban guys. Bibisitahin natin yung ating TikTok friends, Mela. Ayan. So, thank you sweetheart for the drive. So, hanapin natin yung kanyang coffee shop. Kasi nag-open sila nung coffee shop. So, yeah, excited! Si Mila Bus Life siya guys sa kanyang TikTok. Yeah. So dito na tayo, hanapin natin yung kanilang coffee shop. So, Kilkiban.
I'll point out to the shop that was for sale.
Yeah. Oh, I'm very excited. We are here.
There's this little shop here for Green Roof.
Yeah.
160,000.
Oh, yeah, that's good, my love.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, this is for sale, oh.
What did you say?
Yeah.
So that little shop is just
Yes.
here. See cafe?
Yeah. Hello guys, nandito na kami sa kanilang coffee shop. Alam ko na, nakita ko siya eh. Nandito banda siya, oh. Nakita ko. Yan. Magsuklay muna kami.